I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the file so modeling is accurate. Open Revit and choose a suitable family template like generic model. Once done, set project units and create reference planes to define the box edges. Then, pick the correct work plane and activate Create Extrusion or Solid Form depending on template. This early precision avoids alignment problems later and ensures constraints behave predictably when you dimension and parametrize the box. Now you sketch the box. Choose Extrusion, pick the work plane, and draw a rectangle that matches your reference planes. Make sure to add dimensions for width and depth and lock them to the reference planes so the form updates reliably. Next, set the extrusion start and end values or use push/pull to reach the target height. Add instance or type parameters as needed. These choices let you control the box later without redrawing, which saves time during iterations. To finish, apply a material and test any parameters by changing values to confirm the box resizes and maintains constraints. If you built a family, load it into the project and place it using levels or grid snaps. Make sure joins and cuts behave as intended. If things go wrong, first verify the active work plane, ensure dimensions are locked correctly, and confirm you used the proper family category. Correcting these common issues usually restores expected geometry behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.